To link your PNU account with your eBay account, start by typing "new" into your web browser and navigating to the home page. In the upper right corner, click on Login and enter your username or email address and password to access your account. Once logged in, go to Account and Settings and verify your account. To link it with eBay, follow these steps. First, decide if you want your payouts to go to a PNU account, which can help centralize your earnings. Next, verify your PNU account details. Then link your PNU account to your eBay account and secure the connection between the two accounts. eBay will automatically pull in details from your PNU account using your account number. And you will need to verify your account details by selecting a credit or debit card from the list. After submitting your request for registration, you will be able to get paid on eBay with your PNU account. You can find more information about using PNU and eBay together